Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I came here with a completely new topic. The topic name is English words to describe the taste. I'm sure most of you definitely have struggled to find the right word to describe the food tasted. You might have run out of the words entirely, but now I brought you plenty of vocabulary to express exactly how the flavor hits you. You can finally get rid of just saying it was good, it was nice, or it was pleasant. Now you will have plenty of words to define the exact taste you felt about the food. Without wasting the time, let's go and check out the words. Shower. Shower means something taste in acidic, tangy, or tart. For example, lemon, limes, yogurt, etc. And next word is bitter. Bitter means something tastes completely different from sour. Example, dark chocolate, black coffee, bitter gourd. The next one, salty. You might be aware about this. Sweet. And the next word is savory. Savory means something which is not sweet but salty. Savory and umami are almost share the same meaning. It gives the taste of mixing of spicy, salty, and earthy taste. Tangy and tart means something acidic and sour but pleasant to eat, like green apples. Fiery means something taste very spicy, hot. Pungent means pungent means something which is very strong in smell, like raw onion or garlic or mustards. Gooey means something which is soft but sticky. Mellow means something soft, ribbed, mature, and sweet. Bland means something which is tasteless. For example, boiled food. Ardi means root vegetable or something which tastes like soil. Stringent means something dry, rough, and strong. Medicinal means something tastes like a medicine. Stale means something which is no longer fresh. For example, don't eat those bread and biscuit, they have been left open and gone stale. Mouth watering means something which is tempting. The aroma coming from the kitchen is mouth watering. Scrumptious means something which is pleasant and incredibly delicious. And yucky means something bad. This is the casual way to say something is bad and not pleasant at all. Zesty means it has some less acidic taste. Smoky, for example, you are eating matar paneer and you are giving describing it to someone, it was so smoky in taste. And putrid means something, the food has got rotten and it is completely bad to eat. It something which